Okay. So this is the Beach Club Resort. And this is a 2-bedroom, not the locked off version. So nice big double sink here, which is awesome. There's the room with a shower. It is not the rain head, like the last one was, but it's still a very large shower. Looks like it may have been converted from a bathtub at some point. Here's a closet here. And then in here is the bedroom with the 2 queen beds. And there are a few plugs in here. And the little nightstand has some USBs, it looks like. Yeah, there they are, right there. So this is a nice big room. Awesome. Another closet here, and also a place to hang coats, which is always nice. Oops. This one, and a pack and play. Do all of the rooms come with pack and plays, or do you have to request those? Okay, they do come with pack and plays. So a little entryway area, which is nice for if you've got strollers or carts like we do. Washer and dryer is here. And then the second bathroom, which is very helpful. In here is the toilet off from the shower. Single sink in here. And a bit of a larger shower through here. And then in here is a bathtub as well as another sink and into the master with the king bed. Walk-in closet here. Awesome. Lots and lots of space. So cute. So here is the king bed with a dresser as well and a desk. So lots more USBs in here and plugs. They've done a good job with some of these older resorts and adding in more plugs and USB ports for a changing age when everything has to be plugged in. So that is the 2-bedroom here at the Beach Club. And in here is the dining area. Cute little Mickey plates. A kitchen, U-shaped and a little bit bigger than some of the kitchens that we've seen, with a full microwave, a full range and oven, and a full fridge. In the cupboards you have everything that you need, dishes, as far as dishes and silverware are concerned. Also a dishwasher, which is unbeatable. And then this couch turns into a bed as well. And a bar here for seating more people. There you have that.